Hey everyone, it's Trisha at Acres of Dreams in Faithwards Flower Farm. I wanted to share with you really quickly how I can do things sometimes by myself with just a little bit of leverage from other things like the ladder. No, that barrel is not full of water. It does have some water, residual water in the bottom, so it was too heavy for me to lift up and put onto the blocks, but I was able to position it with the ladder really close to the blocks, and then I walked the ladder back and walked the um, rain barrel back, and then I was able to tilt it, and now you see that I have a little bit more to go. As soon as I get past maybe halfway on that second brick, I'll lift it up and it should be right where it needs to be, and then I can reattach the outlet coming down the pipe. You see it's bent up there. We had a storm, and so I'm going to have to do a little repair on that, but we're supposed to get some more rain this afternoon, and I missed out on the rain that we got the last 2 days, but it's, one task at a time. But this one, I'm going to try to get this done before it rains this afternoon, and then we're getting rain Saturday too. So I have 2 more to repair from damage, and I just thought I'd share that with you, because sometimes if you're a lady and you're trying to do things yourself, and like I'm 68 and I'm not as strong as I used to be, not even last year strong, which is kind of depressing, but I'm going to work on changing that. I really am. I've got that. That's part of my fitness compass point, is to really start focusing on strength and balance, because those 2 things are the first to go as you age. But y'all probably already know that. But anyway, I thought I might share this, because if there's somebody out there and they're trying to do something, leverage, leverage, leverage is the way to go. And don't hurt your back, and don't try to bend too far. Doing squats is okay, as long as your knees are still in good shape, but lifting things and risking back trouble is not a good idea. Thank y'all for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I look forward to you following me the rest of the way to get this operation up and running. and hopefully that will be within the next 10 days. That's what we're shooting for. So thanks for watching. Love you guys. Until next time, always move faithwards. Mwah.